Inventory and its varieties. Insights into inventory department operations, GTL, TTL and PST. Getting acquainted with PST and its process flow. Addressing exceptions in GTL and TTL picking and putting processes. In-depth exploration of GTL and TTL processes, focusing on picking and putting steps. Now we will understand the objective of inventory management by providing a comprehensive overview of inventory types and operational activities within the inventory department. Additionally, clarify the detailed process steps for GTL and TTL, emphasizing picking and putting, and address exceptions in these processes. Inventory is part of the fulfillment center, where products are stored by the putting team which are received in inbound and processed by the outbound team to fulfill the order of a customer. There are two types of inventory in a cart fulfillment center. Store. The store is a place in inventory to put QC pass products. And the non-store. The non-store is a place in inventory to put QC fail and non-sellable products. Pallet location are to be used for the storage of semi-large size product. Also used for storage of bulk products, i.e. example 1 FSN more than 100 plus quantity. Operational activities of inventory department. GTL is the movement of the products from one place to another place within the same area. Whereas TTL is the movement of the products from one place to another place of different area. Points to remember before activity starts. Know your inventory, source and destination areas. Take over of HHD device and log in to the device. Picking up empty tote. Trolley to place the tote. Picking process of GTL and TTL. Log in to ERP with your user ID and password. Click on Other from the home screen. Select Transfer List under the Others tab. Select the transfer list, choose the list you want to pick. .gtl, TTL. Ensure the status is ready _to _pick. Scan the tote crate ID. Confirmation added successfully. Go to the first pick location. Scan the location barcode. Scan the WSN WID as prompted. Click Summary to view remaining WIDs, WSNs and quantities. After picking all items, confirmation transfer list is completed. Go to the destination area. The transfer list status will be pick. Exception in picking. Scan location. Invalid location, error message. Inform supervisor. Wrong product, error message. Inform supervisor. Mark as lost. If product not found, inform supervisor. After confirmation, click Mark as lost, requires double confirmation. Tote closer. If tote is full, select close tote. Process steps of GTL and TTL inputting. Log in to HHD, ERP with your user ID and password. Select Transfer List, choose the list marked as picked. Scan tote crate ID, confirmation appears. Scan put location. System prompts to scan put location. If no destination defined, scan any location in the destination area. Confirmation appears. Scan with WSN, confirmation appears after each scan. Complete put away. Transfer list becomes invisible after all with WSNs are scanned. Quantity counter updates with each scan. Exception in putting. If the product not found at the time of putting, inform supervisor. After supervisor confirmation, only click on Mark as lost. The quantity is marked as lost, the negative variance will be posted on the source location. Stock is the process of counting and recording the amount and value of stock held by a business. Types of stocktake. Location-based stocktake. Scan all products at a location. Identify, count, and summarize quantities by item. Can be done offline, sync data later. Product-based stocktake. Count specific widths across all locations. Prerequisites. Read device handling instructions. Carry a signed run sheet, 10, and blank pink stickers. Bring two TOTs, one for stocktake, one for missing widths. Log in to HHD ERP. Preparation, take two TOTs and an empty run sheet. Choose the assigned stocktake task. Scan the location ID. Empty the shelf into one tote and clean the shelf. Scan each product and place it back on the shelf. Width missing. Place the product in the second tote. Note it in the run sheet and hand it to the supervisor. Supervisor will print the width, then scan and return the product to the shelf. Scan the product and apply a pink barcode to the width. Place the product back on the shelf and update the run sheet. After scanning all items, click on View Summary. Click Submit. Product-based stock take. Log in to HHD ERP. Take two TOTs and an empty run sheet. Choose the assigned stocktake task. Scan the location ID. Remove only the suggested widths from the shelf into one tote. Clean the shelf. Scan each product and place it back on the shelf. Place the product in the second tote. Note it in the run sheet and hand it to the supervisor. Supervisor prints the width, then scan and return the product to the shelf. Scan the product and apply a pink barcode to the width. Place the product back on the shelf and update the run sheet. Click on View Summary. Click Submit. Exceptions. Width missing. Place the product in the width missing tote. Note the count of missing width WSN items in the run sheet. Do not submit the task. Report back to the supervisor after scanning all products on the shelf. Damaged products. Identify damaged items. Example. Box damage. Primary packaging missing. Seal damage. Double C. Fragile sticker missing. Leakage dirty tone faded. Check if the product is physically damaged. Paste a blank width on the product. Cover the width barcode with a pink sticker, leaving the width visible. Note the width in the run sheet. Place the product back on the shelf. Let's conclude what we have learned till now. Inventory operational process, covering various types and activities managed by the inventory department, including GTL, TTL, and PST. It delves into the detailed steps of GTL and TTL processes, focusing on picking and putting, while also highlighting exceptions. Thanks for your participation.